how are you doing? And today I'm so joyous. I'm going to make delicious breakfast, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. Let's do it together, guys. Okay, I'm going to use an egg. Now our delicious breakfast is ready, and I want to taste with you people. The breakfast is so yummy. I know you love it, and make sure at the end of the video drop a comment at the comment section, like and share for more notification. Thank you so much. I love you. For my returning viewers, thank you so much. For the new viewers, make sure as you watch you subscribe. Thank you. I love you. See you to the next video. Bye.